Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, he's taking a look at something that's sure to make some noise. Literally, we're diving into the PATIKIL 36pcs cowbells, specifically the 3-inch blue ones designed for everything from football games to weddings. If you're in the market for bulk noisemakers that are both durable and versatile, then you'll want to stick around. First off, the sheer quantity here is impressive. You're getting a pack of 36 cowbells, which is fantastic for outfitting a whole group, whether it's a sports team's fan section, a large family gathering, or even a school event. Each bell measures a compact 7.5 by 6 by 7.4 centimeters, or roughly 3 by 2.4 by 2.9 inches. This size is absolutely perfect. It's small enough to be portable and easy to store, yet substantial enough to hold comfortably in your hand or even hang around your neck without being cumbersome. Now, let's talk about construction. These aren't flimsy plastic toys. Each PATIKIL cowbell is crafted from iron, giving it a solid, sturdy feel. What really sets them apart is the surface treatment. They're coated with baking paint. This isn't just for looks. It makes them waterproof and highly resistant to rust. So, you can shake these in the rain at a football game or use them outdoors without worrying about them deteriorating. The paint also ensures that the vibrant blue color stays true, resisting fading or cracking even after extensive use. Plus, they've thoughtfully included a comfortable handle, making them easy to grip and shake for extended periods without hand fatigue. And speaking of shaking, the sound these produce is exactly what you want from a noisemaker. When you give it a good shake, the metal-on-metal collision creates a crisp, loud, and undeniably pleasant sound. It's designed to attract attention, and it certainly does the job. Whether you're cheering on your favorite team, celebrating a newlywed couple, or just trying to get some attention at a concert, these cowbells deliver that satisfying, attention-grabbing clang. One of the coolest features, and something he really appreciates, is the DIY potential. These cowbells are essentially a blank canvas. The smooth surface is just begging for personalization. Imagine decorating them with permanent markers, adding some sparkly rhinestones, or even painting intricate designs with acrylic paint and then sealing them. You could tie on ribbons in team colors or hook a light-up lanyard to the top to create unique party favors or personalized gifts. This makes them incredibly adaptable for themed events or just adding a personal touch. Their application truly is wide-ranging, from the obvious sporting events like football and hockey games, to more unexpected uses like farm signaling, adding a festive touch to weddings, bringing energy to concerts, or simply making some joyful noise at family gatherings. The durability and customizable nature mean they can fit into almost any celebratory or attention-grabbing scenario. So, if you're looking for a bulk pack of high-quality, durable, and loud noisemakers that you can also personalize, the PATIKIL 36pcs cowbells are an excellent choice. They're built to last, sound great, and offer endless possibilities for customization.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.